Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to cut and join video in Adobe Premiere Pro. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Cutting and joining video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro is a fundamental skill that allows you to crop seamless video sequence by trimming unwanted sections, splicing together multiple clips, and creating smooth transitions. Now, let's press the C on your keyboard to activate the razor tool, or choose it from the toolbar. Move the playhead to the point where you want to make a cut. Then click on the video clip and the timeline to create a cut at the playhead's position. Repeat the cutting process to create multiple segments by clicking at different points in the video where cuts are needed, if those needed to be cut. Now, let us delete unwanted segments. Switch to the selection tool by clicking the V key on your keyboard. Click on the unwanted segment and press the delete or backspace to remove it from the timeline. And now, let's join video clips together. Drag additional clips from the project panel or from your files to the timeline, placing them to each other and the order you want them to appear. Then ensure the snap feature is enabled, the magnet icon above the timeline, to help align clips precisely without any gaps. Drag clips so they touch each other directly, allowing them to snap into place. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.